Hello, this is Gary with Vintage LEDs. Today I want to show you my 1970 Mustang Sequential LED taillights. This is basically the same taillight set for the 6768, but it's been modified with these brackets, and the board has been shortened so it can fit down inside the 1970 bucket. It has the same 4x10 array of Osram automotive qualified LEDs. The electronics and the controller are from Infineon. It has a switch here for switching between a right light, left light, sequential braking or non-sequential braking. In other words, when you hit the brakes, do you want all three lights to come on at once, or do you want them to sweep out and hold? You can use that by on or off. There's a feature called blanking. If the tail lights are on at the beginning of the turn sequence, the tail lights will actually blank to give you a higher contrast. You can turn that off or on. Whenever you put it in a car, make sure you set one up for right and one up for left. It's best to plug them into the wiring housing, existing wiring, and test them before you put them in the bucket. Now, I'll show you how it goes into the bucket. Take your bucket out of the car. Make sure you feed the 1157 pigtail through. Again, this uses the existing wiring in the car. There's no wiring changes required. The only thing you would have to do, you'll need to change it to a electromechanical flasher like this one here. If you have the bulb still in the front, this will work fine. If you have LEDs in the front, then you'll need to go to an electronic flasher. So you get the board lined up, put the gasket in, put the lens in, get all the screws started. It's best to just get these started, then tighten them up later. So now you put this back in your car. You want to test it before you screw it all together. This goes in your existing wiring harness. Then you'll put your bezel back on it. And let's fire it up. There's the tail. And there's the turn. Tail, then turn. Thanks for watching.